How to add your card to Apple Wallet. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is launch this app, Wallet. You can get this app easily from the App Store. Now click on the plus icon given at the top right. Now different options will be available. From this card list, select the one that you want to add, click on it. Now click on continue. You'll get this option to scan the card, or what you want to do is enter card details manually. So now provide the card details, type in the name, card number, then click on continue. Now type in the expiration date and the security code, then click on continue. Go through the process. With that, your card will be added to your wallet. Likewise, if you have chosen the option to scan the card, you will need to hold the iPhone near the chip on the card to add it to wallet. So this way you can easily add your card to Apple Wallet. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.